Hello and good day to all of you. So in this video lecture, we are going to learn about why we apply machine learning and what are the advantages of the machine learning and how our machine learning algorithms can be improved with the experience and also the data. So let's start over. So starting from the beginning of the lecture, it's why we need to apply machine learning. So the machine learning has a wide range of application that helps to the first of all cut the cost, and the second thing is minimize the risk, because there's a lot of decision you have to make based on different type of data, but human brain cannot recognize these type of risk. So you just give the information to the machine, then you can get the output of the machine and also enhance the overall quality of the life. So sometimes you have to take decision on the life quality, then you can use machine learning algorithms to give these type of enhancement of the overall quality of the life. And also these include the suggestion of the products or the services. Let's say if you're going to buy any type of product, so you have to define, because the human brain can remember sometimes some facts, but the other facts you can forget. So the machine learning can have include all the facts and figures. It's like a filter. So you just choose the filter when you're going to purchase anything in the online shopping. So you just define the filters. Let's say you want to give the range of the price, you want to give the size, you want to give the company, and any type of thing. So you can have this on the back end. There is a machine learning is used on that website as well, or the filtering and identifying the cybersecurity breaches, and also enable the autonomous vehicle. So autonomous vehicle are also extensively using the machine learning. This actually we are going to solve a problem using the machine learning. So we have actually the prediction is we have to find out the resale value. So what are the two factors? One of the factor is the mileage, and another factor is the vehicle age. So let's say if you're going to the market and you want to buy a car, your target is either the mileage and the vehicle age. So let's say if the mileage of your car you are going to buy, or you are going to do the prediction of the resale value. So if you say that the mileage is less than 150,000 kilometer, then if yes, the vehicle age is also matters, because you are not looking only the one factor, but the another factor. So let's say the mileage is less than 150,000 kilometer. If yes, you are also going to look at the vehicle age. So let's say if it is less than 10 years, if it is yes, then you have the prediction value is very high. But in that case, let's say the mileage is 150,000 kilometer or less, but the vehicle age is not less than 10 years, then your prediction value, resale value will be low. And another case, let's say the mileage is 150,000 kilometer. There is no 150,000 kilometer, but the age of the vehicle is greater than 10 years. Then if it is yes, then you have no. But if the age is less than 10 years and even the mileage is even high, so the prediction value will be high. So in this, actually the summary is that you have two prediction. Either you're looking at the mileage or the age of the car. So let's say if your mileage is high but age is less, then you will go for that because the prediction will be high. And another case, if your mileage is less but the age is high, then your prediction will be low. So that is actually the summary. If the mileage is 150 kilometer and the vehicle age is greater than 10 years, then the resale value is low. The route 2, you will define if the mileage is greater than less than 150,000 kilometer and the vehicle age is less than 10 years, then the value of resale is high. So the third rule is again other way around, and also the fourth rule similarly, which we have defined in the previous one. So what are the more factors you can include in your machine learning algorithm? So the first of all, we have just choose the vehicle mileage and also the age of the vehicle. Then again, you can choose color, make, and the models, transmission mode like automatic or manuals. Then you have to define the number of doors, horsepower, fuel types, and further any rules you can define into the machine learning, and it will improve your prediction as well. And also you can devise a set of rules to make this prediction. So let's say if you are looking at the song, so what are the songs that user might like to pick? Some of the catalog of like 20 million. So you can define the rules. And also sometimes you're looking at the some text that who write these articles. And so you have to just give a input based on what you are looking for. The third thing is you can also define the image. So sometimes image recognition is also used for machine learning. So there are three stages of the data scientist which try to build the machine learning algorithms. So the first stage is you have to collect and prepare the data. So let's say you come up with the different type of data. In case of car, you have like the mileage, the age, and everything you will put into the spreadsheet, and that is actually called the data. The second stage is experiment with the different machine learning algorithms to build the best one. So you have the data, so you use machine learning algorithms, and based on the machine learning algorithm, you will come up with the machine learning model. Then finally, you can use this model and the data to get the result. So you have the input parameters, you have the machine learning model, and also you can use this model to predict your output. So the data is actually given not only the one form, so there are multi-form as we discussed. So it can be in tabular form. So you have different type of data, like one data set, second, third, and so on. So you give all input this data set into your model, then you will get the output prediction. So this is the way actually the machine learning work. Then also the advantages of machine learning is actually it's automatically pattern defining. Let's say you have this data which is connection has with this data. So it will automatically find the connection with the different data. And if you want to go for one improvement, let's say you develop only this machine learning model, so it will improve with the time. So let's say you want to predict one feature in the data set, then you will go for two, three, and so on. So it will automatically improve our machine learning models. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood about why we have to apply the machine learning and what are the benefits of that and how we can utilize to reduce the risk of the machine learning in our daily life, or how we can overcome the risk in our daily life using the machine learning. Thank you so much and hope to see you again.